How do I enter my billing address in an online form?
Hello viewers, today we'll be learning about how to enter your billing address in an online form. This is a simple yet crucial step when making purchases online, signing up for services, or performing a host of other tasks on the internet. In this tutorial, we'll break down each step to make this process seamless for you.
Locating the billing information form.
When you're making a purchase or signing up for a service online, you'll eventually come across a billing information or payment details form. This usually happens after you've added items to your cart and clicked on Checkout or Proceed to Payment. Look for this form on the web page. It's typically labeled with headings such as Payment Details, Billing Information, or Billing Address.
Filling out your billing address.
The billing address form usually requires several specific pieces of information about you and where you live. Here's how to fill it out. 1. Full name. Start by entering your full name in the field labeled Name, Full Name, or something similar. 2. Street address. Next, find the field labeled Address, Street address, or similar. Here, enter the street number and name of your residence. 3. Apartment or suite number. If you live in an apartment or suite, you might need to enter this in a separate field. Look for a field labeled Apartment, Suite, Unit, etc., and enter your specific unit number here. 4. City. Enter your city in the field usually labeled City. 5. State, Province. In the State or Province field, enter the state, province, or region where you live. 6. Zip or postal code. In the field labeled Zip Code or Postal Code, enter your area zip or postal code. 7. Country. Finally, if required, select your country from the drop-down menu in the Country field.
Confirming your billing address.
After filling out your billing address, it's important to review all the details to make sure they're correct. Errors in the billing address can lead to complications with your order, so take an extra minute to confirm everything is accurate. Once you're sure, click on Continue, Next, or whatever the website uses to proceed to the next step. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enter your billing address in an online form. Remember, ensuring that your billing address is correct is crucial for a smooth online purchasing experience. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and simplified this process for you. Happy shopping!